Hey, I want to give you my review on this Porter cable heat gun. So I purchased this a while back, and my main reason I purchased it was because I wanted to do some refinishing of furniture. It's a great way to heat up and strip furniture so you're not using chemicals. But I found a better way to use it, and it is for crafts. Now, this is a great gun for various craft products, if anything. It has 2 different speeds. Okay. It also has temperature control right here. And the nice thing about it is you can use it, gets really hot. You can use it to help dry a product. You're going to want to keep it higher and on low and on a lower temperature to help dry a product. I have used this numerous times to take labels off of wine bottles, and you just heat it up a little bit, quick and easy, better than a hairdryer, and takes my labels right off without much effort whatsoever. I do want to show you, so though you can have a very low temperature, or if you're going to do stripping, you're going to want it, the other way around. You're going to want it to be hot. It'll, watch it glow in just a sec. See how it's starting to glow? It's really hot. I'm not exactly sure. Oh, this one's a 1500 watt. So it's very durable. I've had it for several years and I like it real well.